Hey guys, Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com. I'm so excited to share with you what's cooking in the Kitchen Table Stamper online classroom for July. We've got the Sweet as a Peach treat class. There's two ways to take the Sweet as a Peach treat class with me. You can take it online only, completely digital, and the class opens July 28th. The Sweet as a Peach treat class is also available with a to-go option. The to-go option includes the online classroom, so that $22 value is included. You'll get access to the online classroom, but you will also get a package in the mail. And the package in the mail will include an entire spool of the gorgeous Blushing Bride metallic ribbon, an entire package of the Sweet as a Peach designer series paper. We will cut your paper at a 6x12. You'll also receive a kit for each of the 5 projects. Now your kits will have your base pieces cut and scored for you, your basic pieces like tags and labels cut and punched for you. We do not do your peach stamping. We do not do die cutting. That needs to be done after stamping. And we do not do embossing for you for the online classroom to go packets. Everything else is done for you. It's a huge head start. It's a labor of love. So you get one packet with a kit for each of the 5 treats. Included in that packet is the actual treat. So you're going to get a peach notebook. The treats are available in the kits while supplies last. If I do run out, I try to make substitutions, but keep in mind, first come, first serve with the treats. They're while supplies last. So a peach notebook for our notebook. Sweet as a Peach pen for our pen box is included. The white peach stash tea is included. Your sun-kissed peach orange mango drink mix is included. And the peach puffs are included for your candy box. So treats are included in the to-go kit while supplies last. The to-go kit is $47. That includes USPS priority shipping with $50 of insurance. If you don't already have the Sweet as a Peach bundle, you can add the bundle on for $45 additional. That's $92 with the bundle. So the to-go option has with or without the bundle. To register for the to-go class, email Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com and I'll send you a link. Just let me know if you'd like it with or without the bundle to pay for that. Stampin' does not allow me to put the link for that on the internet because it does include full current product like the Peach Designer Series paper. So just reach out. I'll send you a link for the to-go class. If you're looking for online only, which is a great option if you're a demonstrator, if you have a demonstrator you love, if you don't live in the US, you can find that class right now. Just buzz over to KitchenTableStamper.com/shop and you'll find it under online classes, Sweet as a Peach treat class. All right, you guys, if you have any questions at all or you want to register, email Marisa at KitchenTableStamper.com and I'll see you in the online classroom. Thanks for watching. Bye.